Okay, exercise 4, page 359, a whole lot of questions here. The first four are very similar in that they give you a certain term. In this case, it's term 11, A11 or A42, A9, A9, and then they give you a couple other terms and they ask you to figure out what that term is. And those are very similar to what we saw before. You don't know what R is, you'll have to either calculate R or figure it out based on how far apart these things are. So we'll do a couple of those. Maybe we'll do A and D or something. The next set here, well, wait a minute, let's test this out here. Oh geez, that's what I was afraid of. I was afraid of it settling over there. Let's get that out of here. The next one, this one says N if A1 is 729, A2 is 343, and L is 1 over 9. What the heck is L? L we haven't seen since arithmetic series. They didn't say anything about L. In fact, if you look in the book on geometric series, L doesn't even exist in here. Oh well. Let's assume that it means the same thing it did back in arithmetic series, and this is the last term. They just don't tell you how many terms away it is, so you have to figure that out. So we'll do one of those as well, and we'll see how long the video is before we address any of the ones down at the bottom. Okay, so up here, let's do this first one right over here. That's A, and it says find A11 if A1 equals 1 over 128 and R equals 2. So let's bring our good friend the formula back so we remember what that formula is. Everything's going to be based on that formula here. Equals A1 R to the n minus 1. And so A1 we know that. AN we don't know what it is. A11 though will equal A1, which is 1 over 128, times R, which is 2, to the n minus 1 power, which is the 10th. That was easy. So we figured that out. What's 2 to the 10th? Well, let's see. It goes 2, that's 1, and then 2 squared, cubed, to the 4th, to the 5th, to the 6th, to the 7th, to the 8th, to the 9th, to the 10th. 1024. So that's 1024, so it equals 1024 over 128, which equals 8. Done. Okay, so A wasn't very hard, not very challenging. Let's see if we can do another one from that set. Let's do D. D, well, that's the same thing. What a waste of time. Well, we'll do it anyways. Okay, so A9 if A4 equals 5 and A6 equals 20. Well, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm not playing this game. I am not going to do 1, 2, 3, and then there's a 4, 5, 6, well, there's 6 is 20, and then 7, 8, 9. I'm not playing this game. This is crap. I don't care about those. I'm going to make this one A1. I'm going to make this one A3, and I'm going to make this one that they're asking for A9. Well, I'm going to call that A4, 5, A6. And if I conceive of that mini-series that way, I can put it in the formula. And the formula is going to be AN equals A1 times R to the n minus 1. So AN, which is A6, is what I'm looking for, although they call it A9. A6 equals A1, which is 5, times R, which they don't tell us. Oh, wait a minute. Sorry, back that up. Back that up. I'm going to have to figure out what R is. I'm going to do it by just through these right here. Really straightforward. A3, which is 20, will equal A1, which is 5, times R to the n minus 1. R to the n minus 1. So n in this case is 3, so R squared. So 20 equals 5 times R squared. 4 equals R squared. R equals 2. And now that I know what 2 is, the rest is easy. I'll go over here and I'll look for A6 being equal to 5 times 2 to the 6th power. That's what we're looking for here. 5 times 2 to the 6th. And 2 to the 6th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is 64 equals 5 times 64, which equals 320. Done. Okay, new video for the next ones.